Welcome back to Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leong. On today's episode, we're going to be learning about how to extend and create patterns that have two changing attributes. We have a lot of fun ahead of us today. I'm looking forward to getting started. I will see you soon. Okay, today we're going to start by reviewing a little bit of the stuff we learned in the last episode. The last episode, we learned about attributes. And attributes are the quality that is changing. It could be size, shape, color, thickness, direction. Don't forget, a term is an item in a pattern. So each and every piece in the pattern is a term. The core is the group of terms that are repeating. And in order to have an actual pattern, you need at least 3 repeats of that core to get a real pattern. So we're going to take a look at this one. We are going to identify the core, we're going to circle the core, and then we're going to draw the next 2 terms. So here, we've got large circle, small circle, that's blue. So we have 2 attributes that are changing. The size is changing and the color is changing. So here we're going to circle the core. Let's double check we have the core. So we've got large circle, small, small, large circle, small, small, large circle, small, small. We've got the blue repeating throughout. Yes. Now we're going to figure out what the next 2 terms are. For here, it's going to be a small circle that's red, and then a small circle that is blue. So these are the 2 that I'm adding to my pattern. Have fun on the next slides practicing the activities and double check your answers. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. So my next activities I have for you, I'm going to choose which attribute I want you to change. I don't want a bunch of attributes changing, just one. And for the first activity, I want you to use circles only, and I want the color to be the only attribute that changes in your pattern. Remember, your core has to repeat at least 3 times for it to be a pattern. Let's take a look at what I drew behind me and double check that I in fact have the correct thing going on. So I'm using all the same size circles because size is not the attribute that's changing, only color. So I've got 1, 2, 3 red, 1 blue, 3 red, 1 blue. Right away, you can see what the core is. Here is my core, and I'm going to underline it so you can see it very clearly. Let's see how many times I've got it repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, as long as I have 3 or more, it's a pattern. And my only attribute that is changing, of course, is the color. So you go ahead and work on the next slides. Make sure you follow the instructions because you're not just going to be working on color changes. I'm going to have different attributes that I want you to change in your patterns. I'll see you soon. Well, we've come to the end of another episode on Miss Teacher Tube. Today we've learned an awful lot about creating patterns with two changing attributes, and we've learned how to find the pattern core so we can extend existing patterns. We're going to learn more on the next episode. Bye for now. And again, if these videos are useful to you, please like and subscribe. See you soon.